8 seats with 7 ministers who control the trade and infrastructure ministries of the country. All present and listening in the spanking new exhibition hall in Delhi's Pragati Maidan as Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the case for Gati Shakti.
कौन सा विभाग, कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट कहां शुरू करने की तैयारी कर रहा है, राज्यों के पास भी इस तरह की जानकारी एडवांस में नहीं होती। इस तरह के साइलोस के कारण निर्णय प्रक्रिया भी प्रभावित होती है और बजट की भी बर्बादी होती है।
According to a government report for the April-June quarter, of the 1,779 central projects being tracked, 12 were ahead of schedule and 241 were on schedule. A huge 559 projects were delayed up to 324 months, while a shocking 967 projects had no completion date. What's more, the cost of 480 projects had overrun the estimate by 4.46 lakh crore rupees. Among the top 5 reasons, delays in land acquisition, delays in environment clearances, delays in tendering, lack of infrastructure support, and law and order issues. Clearly, all easily solved via inter-ministerial coordination.
राजनीतिक इच्छा शक्ति की कमी के साथ ही देश के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट को सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाया सरकारी विभागों के बीच आपसी तालमेल की कमी ने, आपसी खींचतान ने।
Gati Shakti creates a common digital portal to which 16 ministries will have seamless access. This ensures that all ministries are informed and work together on projects, breaking down the so-called silos they are currently working in. Some of the targets are 11 industrial corridors and 2 defense corridors in UP and Tamil Nadu, 4G connectivity in all villages, creating 220 new airports and heliports, expanding the national highway network to 2 lakh kilometers and increasing the renewable energy capacity to 225 gigawatt from the current 88 gigawatt, all by 2024-25.
Holistic approach to infrastructure has to navigate the challenges of working through a very complex federal system. It is almost like conducting a grand yet complex orchestra. The outcome is a symphony like the PM Gati Shakti. I firmly believe that this symphony has the potential to change mindsets and show a path for government, industry, academia and civil society to come together and act for the collective prosperity of India. The synergy that comes from such a collaboration is a force multiplier.
Infrastructure construction can be a large employment multiplier in this country, creating new job opportunities in the rural areas as well, which is much needed. In fact, new connectivity and linkages will enable the regions that are currently excluded to be added into the economic mainstream and generate consequent business opportunities.
The outlay for Gati Shakti is a whopping 100 lakh crore rupees. The government is hoping that not only will the project propel the economy to the $5 trillion club by 2025, but also help projects hanging fire for years. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.